Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change Discord password if you forgot it. So let's get started. So if you have forgotten your Discord's password, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Discord, and after opening up your Discord, in order to log into your account, you have to enter your account's password. But if you have forgotten it, then what you can do is just simply tap on forgot your password. And after tapping on forgot your password, you should enter your email or phone number first. So I'll just simply go ahead and enter my email, and after entering it, just tap on forgot password. And after tapping on forgot password, now what will happen is the Instagram support team will send you a password resetting email in your Gmail. So you will receive it. What you can do is just simply open it. And after opening it, now what you can do is just simply tap on reset password. After tapping on reset password, now you can reset your account's password. Now to reset your password, what you can do is just simply create a new one. So to create a new password, just simply type in anything that you want. So just make sure that you have created a strong password and then save this password somewhere that you will not forget. So for example, in your notes or in your book anywhere, and just simply save it and then tap on change, and this will change your password on Discord. And after changing it, now if you just simply go ahead to your Discord and then enter the new password that you have created and then enter the email address, you will easily log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to change Discord password if you forgot it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.